Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Hu Simple Milk Chocolate. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Hu Simple Milk Chocolate bar, and just taking a look at the details that's on the paper packaging and on the reverse or back side. There is some information about the Simple Milk Chocolate bar, as well as ingredients and other information. And this bar has a weight of 60 grams. And now let's go ahead and open it up by peeling open the paper flap and just giving you a look at the details right there with the Get Back to Human slogan or motto. Let's tip the contents out from the paper packaging. And there is a message from the co-founders. And just going to set a paper packet to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the wrapped Hu Simple Milk Chocolate bar. And now taking a much closer in look at the details that's on the packaging or wrapper. So now let's go ahead and tear it open. To reveal the Hu Simple Milk Chocolate. So giving you a close-up look at the chocolate bar, so you can see it does have a dark brown colouring to it. And once again, it has a weight of 60 grams. And let's flip it over so that you have a look at the top side of the chocolate bar. So you can see sectioned to 8 individual pieces with the Hu logo molded onto them. So giving you a look right there at the Hu Simple Milk Chocolate bar. And let's lift it up from its packet or wrapper and giving you a look of this 60 gram bar resting in my palm to give you some sense of the size of the bar. And now of course taking a much closer in look at the details once again, this time nice and close. So you can see all the details. And of course let's do a 360 rotation of the chocolate bar. And now let's break a piece off and giving you a look at its cross section. And let's taste the smaller piece. So that piece was nice and creamy. It does have a nutty and slightly spicy flavor to it. So very mild, yet given that little hint of nuttiness as well as spiciness. Now let's break another piece off to have one more taste, and of course giving you a look once again at the cross section of this Hue simple milk chocolate. So once again, that little spicy peppery kick to the chocolate bar's taste. So that's the Hue simple milk chocolate. Thanks for watching and happy eating!